making over $1,000 a day with ChatGPT and an automated system that lets us send millions of messages daily to website owners. This works by using a tool to send messages through contact forms, not emails. If you've never made money online and have no idea what you're doing, don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to set up for free and also how to set up if you want to spend some money. This will work even if you're just starting out. It's not going to happen overnight and you won't immediately start making $1,000 a day. But if you stick with it, you could start earning a lot. If you want me to keep you updated, respond with yes in the comments, and I'll keep you posted with all our tests. So let's talk about what we're doing here. And what we're saying is, we're telling these website owners that we made a video for their website, and we're asking them if we can send it to them. We tell them to respond with the word sure if they want us to send it. Now, we're getting all these responses. You can see different people saying sure, and that they would like to see the video for their website. Then we're sending a video generated by ChatGPT and AI, and we're offering them a service around AI-generated videos. Let me show you what one of these videos looks like. Impact your world. Work with Dr. Mark Pirtle to cultivate a world where everyone embraces their capacity for decisive change, healing, and transformation. Learn simple, effective mind training techniques and practical self-change methods grounded in science. Practice, and you will rewire your brain, turning you into the best version of yourself. This is an example of a video we made automatically with this tool. This tool can generate the script, images, and voice, doing everything to create these videos that they can add to their website, post on their YouTube channel, Instagram, or even use for ads. This is a cool service that only takes a few clicks to create and sell. Let's talk about how you would do this for free if you didn't have any money to start. Ideally, you would start by finding a few websites on Google. You type in something like chiropractors in my area, and then go on Google. Click through the websites and contact them through their contact forms, saying, hey, I'm offering a free video service. Now, this will take a really long time because you have to go to one website, then the next one, then the next one, and so on. Ideally, if you want to scale this and go fast, you would use a tool like this one. Now, this tool is a bit more expensive, but it allows you to automate the process and reach out to many more website owners quickly. This way, you can offer your video service to a larger audience and potentially make more money in a shorter time. The tool itself costs about $90. I'll leave links to the tool and everything you need to set up this system. To start, just get the tool for about $90. If you want to use proxies and a private server, it could cost between $500 to $1,000, but you don't need to do all that at first. Ideally, you would just get this tool and start by sending out a few messages to see how it goes. Let me show you the basics of this tool. It's pretty simple. You create a project by clicking on New and naming the project. Let's say we want to find chiropractors in Los Angeles. From here, I can just click OK and then Start, and it will begin finding websites of chiropractors in Los Angeles. It's checking places like Google and other search engines. You can see it just found 36 websites with contact forms for chiropractors in Los Angeles. Then I can customize a message. I go to Submission Content, change my first name, email address, and message. Then I click Start Send, and it begins sending. You can see it says no message defined, so nothing will be sent to these websites, and it might not go through without a message. If I fill that out quickly, let me see. I think there are predefined options. Let's just say hi, and this is the most basic way. This is how you would send messages. You can see it sent 12, 13, 15, 20, 30 contact forms in just a few seconds. If I were to manually go to each of these websites, it would take much longer. This tool saves a lot of time and effort by automating the process. If I started doing this manually on the internet, it would take a long time. It's easier to use a tool, but if you don't have the money, you can do it yourself. You'd fill this out: email, phone, knee pain, etc. Then click send, and it says thanks for submitting. I could do that all day and offer a free video service, or just use this tool. There's another shortcut: using pre-built lists of contact forms. Instead of scraping websites, you can use a list of 14 million pre-checked contact forms. I'll show you how to get these. Load them in the tool. For example, in the chiropractor project, add your URLs. Click on a list of 1 million pre-checked contact forms, and boom, it's loaded. Now you can start sending to 1 million websites. These are mainly US-based websites with verified contact forms. You don't have to check them yourself. Start sending millions of messages. You want a general thing to sell when using general contact forms, like a free video service. That's what we're doing, offering a free video service and generating videos. Let me show you a lead. Someone said they'd like to see the videos. We take one of their websites, copy it, and there are a couple of ways to do this. Head over to ShineFi and enter the website. ShineFi will generate a video. I'll leave a link to ShineFi with a $1 trial if you want to try it out. If you want to make a video for free without using AI, you can use a free tool like CapCut. You can do a screen recording of the website and add some fancy stuff, but I found it's easier to use AI. It's up to you. Here's how it works. Go to the website, copy the text from the About or blog page, and paste it into Shinify. Shinify lets you choose captions, animations, like zooming in and out, accuracy for images, and even add an AI avatar. You can clone a person's face if they give permission, choose different voices, test them, select accents, change the language, and add music. Then click Generate, and Shinify will create the video. You can send the video to the person and offer a package of 10 or 20 videos. This is a way to get your foot in the door. You can also offer other services. If they say, sure, you can say, great, I made some videos, and I can also give you a free website analysis. You can use ChatGPT for reports on websites. ChatGPT 4 can do this, but I'm not sure about 3.5. There's a lot ChatGPT can do, like telling you what to pitch to website owners. I'm actually making a program with ChatGPT that enriches and personalizes these messages. I'll show you what it looks like and how it works in another video, because it's really cool. This program will help you personalize your messages effectively. First, let me hide my API key so it doesn't get leaked. This program, which I had ChatGPT write, lets you add a list of websites with contact forms. It then enriches this list using ChatGPT. What we're doing here is getting a list of websites, scraping their content, and categorizing them into different niches. This helps us know which niche we're contacting. With pre-built lists, you don't know if you'll get a health, finance, or entertainment website. Using ChatGPT to enrich these lists also helps personalize messages. We've been experimenting with this tool. It can create personalized messages by taking information from the website and offering a free marketing service while referencing relevant details from the site. We can upload this CSV into the contact form tool, which references all these details in bulk. This allows us to customize every message for millions of websites, increasing response rates significantly. Using AI to enrich data will be huge for sending out messages. We're also thinking of building a custom model to analyze responses and determine what changes will increase our outreach success. This involves figuring out what ChatGPT and AI think we should do differently based on the data and responses from millions of websites. We have lots of cool stuff going on. One thing I want to mention, I'm considering starting a new bootcamp, and I want to make sure there's enough interest. The bootcamp will cover everything from A to Z, including setting up your own remote desktop server. In these videos, I provide a lot of information, but not every single step. If you want a detailed guide, respond with Bootcamp. We'll have a 6-week training camp with all the templates and messaging you need to replicate our system. The pre-sale price is $297, and it will go up after that. During this session, we'll show you behind the scenes of what we're doing, answer your questions, and interact with you live. This interaction will help you be a part of the process and learn directly from us. You can also start watching numerous videos that are available, which guide you step by step through everything. Regarding the contact forms and pre-built lists I mentioned earlier, I'll provide links to these resources in the video description. I purchased 14 million contact forms for about $1,000, but you can buy smaller chunks like 2 million contact forms for $97. This quantity is sufficient to start testing your outreach. Before sending messages, setting up proxies is crucial. You don't want to send messages from your own IP address, especially if you're sending a lot. Sending a few, like 10 or 20, from your IP is fine, but for millions of messages, proxies are essential. Additionally, you might want to invest in a virtual private server, VPS, to avoid using your computer's CPU all day and taking up its resources. We'll cover all these details in our bootcamp. For more in-depth information, you can check our latest YouTube video, which explains how to run all of this. We have numerous resources on YouTube showing different aspects of this process. However, if you're interested in joining our bootcamp, let us know. We'll show you how to set up everything from your high-level account to your server, proxies, and contact forms. We are setting up everything needed to start creating videos. So let's check out the video we made by Shinify.
Hold that thought. If you've yet to earn over $1,000 a day with AI, seize this moment and indulge in this video. Today, I'm unveiling a foolproof strategy to earn money utilizing a single AI tool. Start by securing this elite tool available at scarytoolbots.com, the platform we're promoting. Avail a free checklist when you sign up as a partner and get handsomely rewarded for endorsing diverse tools. Proceed to shineranker.com and register for their trial. Wondering what the tool entails? You're about to experience it. Hover over AI video tools and select text to image. Type in your desired content in the given space. For a more personalized touch, click Advanced Options and script your own narrative. This is your platform. Use it to sell tools from the checklist and turn visitors into customers through your promos. Then click Generate Video. Witness how ShineRanker crafts a unique video with a single click, easing your promotional strategies. Wish to learn more about this? Respond in the affirmative and I'll promptly send over detailed training to guide your journey.
This was just an example of a video that we can make for this websites, and we can send the direct link. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more great content. If you're ready to take your marketing to the next level, click the link in the description to schedule a free consultation. Let's chat about how we can help you achieve your goals. Don't miss out, book your spot now, and let's start creating amazing results together.